Good morning, ITM team. Man, I'm very motivated for this trading day because I'm going to do something different than I ever did on this YouTube channel. I'm going bear today, bearish, looking for puts all day. The heat map on Yahoo Finance showed pre-market all red for tech sector and the auto sector. So the auto sector doesn't move as fast as the tech sector, so I'm going to do a swing on the auto sector but day trade the tech sector. I'm going to be in and out of the tech sector. So let me look at my daily chart. It's like almost a minute until game time, so let me delete the support and resistance lines that I drew earlier. Draw new ones, and we have to respect that gap fill right there, because even though it looks like we hit buyers on the resistance, the support line, support is where buyers are, resistance is where sellers are. So even though we hit buyers on that support line there, we still have that gap to fill. So the stock has to fill that gap before it could go up. And if it falls through that gap, we have our next support line there. So we locked, we loaded, we ready. I always look at the heat maps before every trading day to see where pre-market is. All right, let's go, game time. All right, so looking for puts. All right, even though it's green right now, don't even worry about that, because the moving averages are not correct. The 20 is in the middle of the 200 and the 50. That's a no-go. That stock is either going to trade sideways or it's going to go down to the 200. It's like the 50 and the 200 is like in a sandwich. It's squeezing the stock price. So let me go ahead and get ready for my put on SPY. I like SPY. Everybody knows I like SPY because it's the king of the tech sector. If the tech sector is doing bad, SPY is doing bad. Bam. There you go. Alright, couldn't get in that. Let me redo my order. Try not to rush through it. Gotta have patience, man. I don't want to mess this up. First time doing a put on the YouTube channel, so I want this to be a profitable put. Alright, my order is in. Let me see when I'm gonna get filled. Filled. Let's go, let's get it. Let me see, I'm trying to maybe 200, 250. I'm looking at 250, try to get 10% of my trading account. My trading account fluctuates because, hey, I'm doing this to become debt free and to achieve financial freedom. So if I have a really good week, I'm pulling out some of those funds to pay off my bills. That's financial freedom to me. In my full-time job as a firefighter, I could either save that check or put it into my trading account. All right, let me go ahead and put my where I want my take profit to be. You see the stock is green right now. Don't worry about that. It just popped up a little bit. It's probably gonna go up further, but that stock price is just gonna keep falling down. My favorite automotive sector, transportation, whatever you want to call it, is going to be Ford. I really like Ford. Ford has cheap contracts and it moves pretty good, but we're going to like swing Ford. Swinging is not selling in the same day. Day trading is selling in the same day, buying and selling. Swinging is buying and selling later. Later meaning not the same day. It could be next day, next week, next month, even next year. Leap options are very far out. So let me go ahead and do my put on Ford. I think I might do like 2 contracts. I'm looking to get $20 off of this. Everything adds up. I don't like going too crazy on swings because I got burned before, but I'm just gonna do 2 contracts. My SPY right now is looking beautiful. Look at that. Just like I said, that 20 wants to go to the 200. Let me pull my stop down to right there, because I want to go ahead and get out. It's almost 5 minutes. I don't like holding for a long time in the morning because it could be a reversal, and then I'll be stuck babysitting the stock all day. I don't want that. I want to enjoy the rest of my day. Let's go in and out. Bam. Sold. Let's see what we sold at. Don't worry about Ford right now. 260. Yes, 5 minutes, 260. Well, 3 minutes and 50 something seconds. Alright, check out this Ford. You see that pop up of green? Don't worry about it, because those moving averages are perfect. 200, 50, 20. That's the correct order. That stock might pop up, but that moving average is going to push it down. So this is where trusting your technical analysis come in at. Alright, so I'm going to wait till this turns green, and I'm going to sell it probably opening bell tomorrow for a profit. That's beautiful. It's going to be red all day. That's just going to be beautiful. Like I said, I only want $20 out of this. I only have 2 contracts. Shouldn't be that hard to get that. Go ahead and set my sell where I want it to be. And now, guys, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. This $200+ I made this morning, I'm going to either pay some bills, get some really good lunch, you know, fill my gas tank up. This is financial freedom. ITM Team LLC.com.